We've been talking about what a bad allergy season it is, and these are very commonly used drugs. As you mentioned, we're talking about Zyrtec and Xyzal. So the FDA is basically putting out a warning that they are going to require prescribers to put on the labels that says that rarely, if you have used these drugs for days, months, weeks, years, you can develop a side effect if you stop the drugs, where you develop itching. The itching can be widespread. It happens usually within a few days of stopping the drug, and in some cases it did require medical intervention. Now, most of these cases occurred with Zyrtec. Most, on average, were in people who had used the drug for about 33 months. We don't really know the mechanism, but to keep it in perspective, in 2022, there were over 60 million of these packages bought over the counter, over 26 million prescriptions, and from 2017 to 2023, there were only 209 cases of this worldwide. So we're talking about something that's very rare overall.
Yeah, but still, if it's happening to you.
If you're itching, it's not comfortable.
That's right. Okay, so what if you're somebody who takes these medications on a regular basis and you're worried about stopping?
Yeah, so certainly it's something worth talking to your doctor about, or if you do stop it, you should bring that up with your doctor if you start to develop itching. The FDA did say that in some cases, if you go back on the drug, if you are itching, that does seem to relieve the symptoms, or going back on the drug and tapering down slowly can also help to relieve the itching if that happens. And then it's good to know there are alternatives to these drugs. So we think about other drugs in that kind of class, like Claritin or Allegra, or nasal sprays or nasal steroids. So definitely worth talking to your doctor, even an allergist.
See these advertised so frequently on air.
You do, and a lot of people just take these things every day, and they may not even need them on a daily basis year long, but certainly it's something to be aware of if you do start to itch.
There you go. Thanks so much, Dr.